Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Sony WH-H900N with your PC or laptop operating on a Windows system. And to do this, first you will need to make sure that you have Bluetooth connected in your laptop or PC, because this video will show you how to connect it wirelessly. There's also a way to do it with a jack plug right here. And then now, when you have a Bluetooth setup, you can go for a start, enter in the search Bluetooth. You should be able to see Bluetooth and other devices settings, enter it. Turn on the Bluetooth and click on Add Device. Go for the Bluetooth. Here you can power on the headphones, so look on the left headphone and locate the power button. Hold it. You should hold it until you hear pairing mode. There's also this LED lamp which starts flashing in blue and red light. Here in a few seconds we should see the WH-H900N on the list, and we can click on it. That way we'll connect our device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.